Should my pest control company discuss integrated pest management strategies? Integrated pest management means using a mix of methods to prevent and control pests with the least harm to people and the environment, and you should expect your provider to explain this clearly. Start by asking for a site inspection that documents pest pressure, entry points, food and water sources, and habitat conditions so treatments target root causes rather than just symptoms. Request specific physical controls like exclusion, sealing gaps, and installing door sweeps, and learn how to perform simple inspections and maintenance steps you can do monthly. Discuss cultural controls such as sanitation, storage changes, landscape adjustments, and moisture management, and get a prioritized list of actions the company will take and what you should do between visits. Ask about biological options where appropriate, for example using predatory insects or bait stations that reduce non-target impacts, and insist that any chemical measures be applied in the lowest effective dose, placed to minimize exposure, and explained in plain language. Ensure the company offers monitoring tools and a follow-up plan with measurable thresholds for action, so you both know when treatments are needed versus when inspection and prevention suffice. 3 common mistakes homeowners face are relying solely on routine, broad-spectrum spraying, accepting vague treatment plans, and neglecting simple maintenance that undermines control efforts. Routine spraying without addressing entry points and sanitation gives only temporary relief and fosters resistance, so require a documented inspection and a preventive work plan before allowing recurring chemical visits. Vague plans that do not list specific tasks and responsible parties lead to finger pointing, so ask for written scopes that show what the company will do and what you must do at home. Neglecting small maintenance items like leaky pipes, cluttered storage, and unsealed attic vents keeps pests fed and sheltered, so schedule basic home repairs and a monthly checklist to complement professional services. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home services related to pest prevention and repair. We help homeowners find local contractors and allow contractors to find work while supporting an active discussion community where members share practical IPM tips and contractor experiences.